today's video, I'll be sharing with you some online business ideas you can start today with zero capital. Yes, you heard me right, zero capital, and make decent monthly income from the comfort of your home. If this sounds like what you're interested in, please keep watching and make sure you watch to the end. Guys, have you wondered why small business owners, small business owners, CEOs of conglomerates now make use of videos to drive massive traffic to their businesses? That will be able to convince you and not confuse you that you can jackpot from SAPA to making a decent monthly income from the comfort of your home. One business idea I have for you all is video editing. Guys, have you sat down to think why businesses now bring their businesses online? Have you sat down to think why businesses now make use of videos to drive massive traffic to their businesses? Have you reasoned why businesses now make use of YouTubers to advertise their products? Now, that is the secret I'm about to reveal in this video. Now as a video editor, you have a gold mine. You're not milking. There is this Facebook group I belong to. In this group, on a daily basis, business owners, CEOs of companies come on this platform and ask for people that can edit videos. So I'm not coming here to just share nonsense, okay? I've heard and I've seen that video editors are in large demand. So if you're a video editor, or you are not even a video editor, but you want to milk money from this industry, it's not too late. Go and learn how to edit videos. You can do a course on that. You can come on YouTube, okay, and learn how to edit videos. Now, if you are a video editor already, come close. All you have to do is make some videos. You can do some videos by yourself, then give it your best in editing these videos. Okay, give it your best in editing these videos. Go on all social media platforms and start advertising yourself. Okay, you can start creating content by telling your viewers, by telling your followers, okay, this is what you should be doing when you're editing your video. This is what you should avoid when you're editing your video, or when you are shooting a video. Don't do this, don't do that. You also can tell, okay, for you to get a good editing skill, make use of this, make use of this. You can make use of your Android phone. You can make use in different social media platforms. Before you know it, business owners will be running after you for you to do your videos. Okay, so you can sit at home and be editing for more than 3 companies at a time. Okay, another thing you can add to this video editing, you can start doing online courses on how to edit videos. Advertise on social media platforms. We teach how to edit video. You can say 10 days challenge, 2 weeks challenge, and all those challenge. A lot of persons will sign up. Those that want to come into YouTube but don't know how to edit videos will sign up. Business owners are looking for ways to do videos and edit will sign up. Okay, so you have a lot of persons that will run after you if you do this thing. Another aspect you can do is sales of video gears. Okay, you can tell me, Vicky, I thought you said businesses can do with zero capital. Yes, you can sell video gears with zero capital. All you have to do is do research, go into the market, look for people that sell these video gears. Third, and let me do partnership with you. All you have to do is go into the shop, make a look at the video gears one at a time. You can use maybe the microphone and make a video. Okay, this is the best microphone you should use as a vlogger, as whatever, okay, or you can pick a camera, you can pick whatever, all the video gears, and just explain about it. People will be running after you guys. So think about it and start milking money. And hold on, when you're done, come and pay your tithes. Do you understand? Returning subscribers, my gang, my G's, thank you so much for always coming by. Thank you for watching, for commenting, for liking my video. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are welcome. Please join us by hitting the subscription button, turning on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload videos. In this video, we'll talk about businesses you can do with zero capital, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, mind-blowing business ideas. Okay, so after watching this video, you can check out those videos. So the number 2 business you can do with zero capital and make decent monthly income is graphic designing. Okay, a lot of businesses are now coming online, so they need graphic designers to design their to tell more people about their company. So if you're a graphic designer, gang, you can milk this. Also, I belong to a platform, and in that platform, business owners are advertising like graphic designers for full-time, part-time, and if you see the pay is much, okay? And most of these jobs are remote jobs, so you can stay at home. Maybe you can stay in Port Harcourt working for a company in Lagos. Okay, so some of the advert I saw 120, 150, 100 for graphic designer. And just imagine you working for 3 companies at a time. Remember, you're working from the comfort of your home. You can also do the training part, do a course, teach people how to design with their smartphones, with their computer. Also for the video editing, you can also teach people how to edit their videos with their smartphone, your Android, their iPhone, their laptops or computer. Start doing something, start milking money. With these businesses, you are sitting at home and you are even earning more than a 9-to-5 worker. Are you getting the gist? Are you getting the gist? Okay, so the number 3 online business I have for you all is CAC registration. Because of how things are in this country, a lot of persons are going into entrepreneurship. All right, a lot of persons are doing a lot of businesses, so they need this online registration, their business registrations. Okay, some of the companies that are into production, they want to take their product to the supermarket, but they cannot take their product to the supermarket if their businesses are not registered. Okay, if their businesses are not registered, so if you are good in CAC registration, a lot of persons will run after you. I know of a guy, they are couples actually, a man and a lady. They are couples. They base in, sorry about that, they base in Bayelsa. All they do is CAC registration, okay, and they have a full-blown company. Right? If you want, I can drop the name of their company and its comment section so you go and browse. It is real. I'm not telling you what is not real. Okay, so if you're good with CAC registration, or you feel you know nothing about CAC registration, but you feel you want to go into this sector, okay, you can also do a course. Follow Who Know Road. If you want me to link the name of the company in Bayelsa where you can go learn, they do training as well. I will link it in the comment section below. Just ask me in the comment section below. Okay, look for where you can learn this skill and start monetizing these skills. There is money, guys. There is money. Start doing business name registration, limited liabilities. You make tons of money. As of 2020, when I wanted to register a company as a call member, I knew how much they called. Okay, talk more of when you're not a call member, you make a lot of money out of it. And also, you can also do the training part. These businesses I'm telling you today, you can use it as a side hustle. You can also use it as a full hustle. You can turn it to full-blown companies. Okay, you can also do the training part of the CAC registration where you already know your onions. So the other businesses I will be telling you, I will not be throwing more light on them, but I want you to go do research on them. Another one is data entry. Also, a lot of companies are in need of data analysts, okay, data entry expert. So you can go and learn how to be a data entry expert. All you need is your system, your laptop, then the knowledge, of course. Now there is a woman, an accountant, brilliant accountant, that teaches all these things. Okay, her name is Choma what? Okay, I can leave the name here. She is good in what she's doing. She is a brilliant accountant. So you can also learn from her. Then you start hunting. Businesses will actually look for you if you know what you're doing. Another online business I have is copywriting. Right, copywriting, writing for businesses. Okay, another form of advertising a lot of companies are using is how to tell stories. Okay, so apart from the video, apart from advertising their products with video, they also tell stories. Stories are not story is another way of driving traffic to businesses. Okay, so if you're good with content writing, with storytelling, companies are also looking for these skills. Okay, all right, companies are also looking for these skills. So if you have the skill, you can milk money out of it. And also, if you do not have the skill, you can learn before this year runs out. You can learn, and also you can do an online course, start teaching people how to do all these things. Another thing is social media manager. Okay, a lot of companies are coming on social media. A lot of companies now have social media handles. Okay, because of this busy schedule, they can't be thinking about production, packaging, marketing, then handling their social media. So if you're good with social media, you can reach out to them, or they can reach out to you. All you have to do is make yourself available. How? Advertise, draw, make loud, right? Draw, make loud. And if you know what you're doing, companies come to you and you can handle all their social media. Make sure you're somebody that is good with social media. Okay, you can navigate all the social medias. You make a lot of money from the comfort of your homes. So these are some of the online business ideas I feel you can stay the comfort of your home and start making a whole lot of money, guys. So if you've watched after this point, thank you so much for watching up to this point. And if you watch up to this point and you've not subscribed, sweetheart, should I fry egg or I should boil egg? Okay, please endeavor to join this amazing family by hitting the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, like, comment. If you feel there are other online business ideas or skill one should have, please drop it in the comment section below. Please also share this video to your family and friends. You don't know who this video will help. Okay, you don't know whose life this video will help, so please share with your family and friends. All right, I'm going to see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, learn from one another.